what Professor what and what, so party structure a weaker, you can never win an election.
Okay.
So you should be worried about how is your party well structured.
All right.
Any well structured party can win an election with you. Okay. I get where I'm coming from.
I understand.
Be a party
any leader that can.
Yes, especially Ghana has say. Meeting Crawford, oh, and MPP and yes, and I say, huh? What in Kramamu didn't go and see roads. Go. I have visited all the 275 constituencies. Massa, President Anadwa Akwan to say Macaroni, the MPP, they've done roads, they've done infrastructure, but it's unfortunately said the communications and the MP, the party structure, they are not able to sell the project that has been done. The agenda, hospitals are more CCB. What I say, more continuous interchange in the history of this country. By the time we free office, based on sort of market area, not from Kurma Mresubisine, interchange. Party be no beti me a challenge MPP in the interchanges. I mean, you say, Kusasi for your baby say, your baby say, your friends say, Muti Asemiada, Fananokuraman and Nonkotumurem. Because I will look at all the roads all over. Okay. So if I drive on roads, I see good roads, or my roads, or my point because of my party to now my bed didn't trust it and I may crash on the road because I'm a political leader. Okay. The any leader be I'm a what me remote control NDC communicator say MPP 9 and 6. MPP trust 6 are then and 9. Are you getting me? Okay. We are not that. NLC is we will praise any sitting government. All right. We will support any sitting government. Yeah, you have a solution to any government, not to criticize.
All right.
Was it 4 years? Me that mean was they were checking 4 years you. Say no more check your results.
But me ni post no anya me wanwa. Say o post we na man for comment was here no na o defend
how
the position no
how
say 4 years now what can he is right
how
and you just say 2020 crown na mampani boss no crown no or they calculate from 4 years.
How can you calculate? How can we calculate from 2020? Because on one case we be cut so we see e blocks to 200 every year bia no be 50 and 50 times 4 no na ka we be wadwuma no no 200 schools who fees work 29 what I say? Eti no wo no kra wo be catch yes wo be yade 200 wo ye 29 no emu enfie nwotwe wonti me anwi ade na maye enne wo ba betra ka say agenda 111 na ye cut sword project bia e be ye obi ani so ade hu no e da wo de be cut sword no sa da no ane account free da project na shase ananya sanete yeah sa da no ne ade free na wo be cut yes ade na wo cut sword August 2021 no 15th January and as 15th maybe 15 or 16 January 2023 no now from 2021 to 2023 acquired John Muhammad fee 9 there na me this there's a problem also enkofobi ebo modern pe psychiatric doctors bi no mo ko hwe ne mabim na na ba ne nkoye na hwe mo ase good time ne bia amafo timi keka ne mesi ani a ya na enkoso ona wo ne meterase amafo timi wiwi bisa na o check in yamana na abo afanche ebije is bia one of a flax in the said bia there is a one of such moments no na e eba na agenda 111 no said e ka no e ade a ebaso ana say ade a abaso egusu a ekoso ashanti region ha yenya 15 of them any enya no ha say na so far Ubaya region has here. Your hospital projects mako 32 a ekoso. Ebi o wa ye wie a ye yansa free ho ebi o nso so a eguso a ekoso. Now to mention a few, no stress agenda 111 projects here. Ubaya yankasa ya trade atuma kwa ngoma here. Me amikrom si woden den na woko ha omo boso kra den e wo ho sisi a ye kasa ebu aman e wa fija kwabre e ho nso so no ebi wo ho a ye ho adwuma oba insuta seche central a eno nso so ba ko man so adubia eno ya manse district no man kran so ahafo no southwest district afi oba kwabena kwa oboase eno ko ha esiwo kakaka a eno nso so no ye adwuma ye nyina ye ho ba kase ya atwuma awabiaja nota kode ubenya baako ewo ho busome fa ho ubenya no ho akrofom ebi ewo ho edujama ebi si ho dendenden a yenyina na yede ye ne hu se ekoso afi oba san adanse asokwa a eno so ebi ho asokwa mampode na omunya enhyase ene ayi ebese bantama ho de no so omunya enhyase ba oba nyina hini eno so ewo ho oba adwoso eho na amane ye se ye mental hospitals no akan kran no ye be ba ko ha se eno no certain part no oba onye na mejilisa asase no wa eho so no amafo eye ho adwuma twade project koso mason kwanta sabronu mu dobonso ni nyina ye ba bia hospital projects no ekoso dendende okoso amesisi ya na obo se omonso project no eguso a eko tepade no de se ye yense firi ho ye wie konongo ye wie ewo ho afi 250 beds a hospital menim sa fi ya payifo be kona ya pa ho entoma military hospital no so sa aye betimi ya yense firi ho afi o twa bibi je se konfa no che children's block no a maternity no so eno so na over 7th floor ena wa mejili se eno so ekoso kase pa oba obuase so obenya sa trauma center no ewo ho trauma center no wo ho afi oba ya quarantine facility ekoso wo se wi eno so from na amafo guso ayeye ho adwuma dendende ena kuma wo so sa entino Ashanti region alone under his excellency Nana Adodankwa Ekufuado there were 32 hospital projects ni nyina aguso a ekoso kakrakra entino John Muhammad de mesemo oni bibia wo de nsa bezi so ache yo oba santimemu a wanya hospital ba ko wansi hospital one amaye enso na ubete wasime na me afai me na me wi me na me afai hospital ya ye kan wasim kra military hospital oba ye oba yi free ha oba ye oba yi free ha ade a wudi kan yi free santimemu na ya wo sempa no e sa hospital no na ka wo mu si wo sofola rana ba be na soja fo ne ti no mupa ya no be page project ni ase ekosi wo tamale ya MPs no mo ma baso ya na o ma se o do mu na si form ya prema mu nya ya si ya kaka o mu yi free tamale nso a straight no mo de 37 si ya ko ya de 37 ho ye no no ba ni to no mpanfo ya na didi mu a o mutime nya asase wo trade ho ya friend say how dey say aferi ya de ma ya enne kakra sa o matimi aye complete amenim se o mu ye de aka no de asoso na o mampanyi atimi akwako bia no enti no me se o ma ani na ho na ko fo we se de mu edi ntro no o mu ntro no ayesa na odene o mo ya hoboa bi ko o mu nim se Ghana for de o ka ya o mu beti o di kan aka che se ye short memory ya dwen no esu afia sa no manum ba metimi aka se mu bi de nka ho.
Okay.
Let me
call Hafiz on the National Cathedral. My faith tells me that most people will not see the completion of the National Cathedral because of our reckless way of handling issues involving the projects. Let us be diligent and circumspect in seeking for clarity about information released before crucifying people wrongly, especially with prophets of God. I respectfully want to refer those naysayers to the book of Psalm 105, verse 15. Prophet Victor Kusi-Boateng is an oracle of God. Bright Nyampong, Obuasi West Constituency Youth Organizer, Enono.
Mechia Bright.
Hafiz.
Neka soa no. Yesi de nyame ehye no mu nudua. Ai. Na ansa na meba hono no. Ya papa John Manim Hama. President Kufo, time President Kufo kono. Ye na ye nche President Kufo take initiative bia na okwaji ska bia si Eurojet project meboa. Aha. Se President Kufo kona ehun bibia